Long back, I announced 100 crore award. If anybody will get Nobel Prize, we are going to give 100 crores prize.
We've heard of electronic cities, we've heard of film cities, but have you heard of an AI city? Well, India could soon have one in the city of Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh.
In focus, which is Andhra Pradesh's the Green Hydrogen Valley. We're talking about the aerospace city, and more importantly, from manufacturing to infrastructure, being one of the key 6 pillars, as highlighted by Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu.
Imagine a state that was once quietly growing, suddenly leaping into the spotlight, not because of slogans, but because billions of dollars are lining up at its doors. Welcome to Andhra Pradesh, where speed of execution meets global capital. In the last 18 months, Andhra Pradesh has attracted investment commitments totaling over 20 lakh crore. That's more than $240 billion and promises millions of jobs and transformational infrastructure, faster than most Indian states have ever seen. But what's driving this metamorphosis? Let's break it down. From 4.47 lakh crore in 2024-25 fiscal year to a record 13.25 lakh crore deals signed at CII Partnership Summit 2025. At this point, I would say Andhra Pradesh is on investment rocket. At CII Summit held in Visakhapatnam, global CEOs rubbed shoulders with local authorities. Deals were inked, not signed. 613 MOUs spanning manufacturing, energy, logistics, and IT were signed in just 2 days. Renewable energy giants like Brookfield and Renew Energy pledged over 6 lakh crore in solar, wind, and green hydrogen projects. It's like, at this speed, it's almost like rewriting the rules of capital attraction in India. And to remind you guys, this isn't speculative. These are some serious capital commitments that signal confidence in state of Andhra Pradesh business environment. And here is where it gets interesting. Andhra Pradesh didn't just wait for investors to come. It rewired its own ecosystem with speed of doing business. National media widely reported how leaders in this state emphasized fast-track approvals, single window clearances, and policy stability to remove all the red tapes. Companies can launch projects faster than in almost any other state in India because bureaucratic hurdles are disappearing. Numbers without stories are hollow. So let's tell a few. Google is planning one of its largest data center campuses in Visakhapatnam, a $15 billion AI infrastructure powered by renewables. This project alone could generate thousands of high-skilled jobs and position AP as a hub of computing infrastructure. In July 2025, SIPB approved projects worth 6 lakh crore expected to generate over 500,000 jobs across industries, IT, energy, and tourism. Interestingly, the state government's own projections aim for 20 lakh new jobs within next 5 years. An audacious target, I must say, but made credible by this momentum. They say investments don't land in thin air, they land on steel and concrete. So the construction of greenfield highways between Vijayawada and Bangalore are connecting markets faster than ever. Ports and logistic hubs are multiplying along the coastline of 1053 kilometers. Urban and industrial projects worth 25,000 crore were recently approved, creating immediate jobs in long-term growth corridors. This isn't incremental development, it's infrastructure at warp speed. And it's not just Indian media noticing. National outlets like the Economic Times reported how Andhra Pradesh speed of doing business distinguishes it from other states, especially at global platforms like the World Economic Forum at Davos. International investors see Andhra Pradesh as a rare mix of stability, clarity meets with ambition. Future-oriented projects could define a new chapter, like Quantum Valley in Amravati. A first of its kind quantum technology hub is being planned to attract cutting-edge tech companies and research institutions. This could make Andhra Pradesh a global leader in quantum computing. Two integrated space cities are being planned in Lepakshi and Tirupati, part of India's growing space manufacturing ecosystem, attracting another 25,000 crore for the next decade. The talk of all techie and glowy is okay, but is it a reality? No transformation is without a friction. Some critics point to lingering infrastructure gaps like traffic congestion in urban centers as a byproduct of rapid growth. But here's the nuance. Growth pains often indicate growth itself. Andhra Pradesh's story isn't a slogan. It's a trajectory backed by real numbers, real jobs, and real global capital. From renewable giants to AI data hubs to manufacturing and quantum tech, AP is not just chasing growth, it's architecting the future. If Andhra Pradesh inspires you, hit like. If you are from Andhra Pradesh, comment your city's turnaround story and subscribe for more deep dive videos on how Andhra Pradesh is transforming India's future. Until then, Bharat Mata Ki Jai.